Hi, good morning. Today's topic is payroll. The term payroll refers to a series of accounting transactions involved in the process of paying employees for the services rendered after taking all the statutory and non-statutory deductions into account. In conformance with the term of employment, company policy and the law of the land, that is payment of income taxes, employee benefits and other deductions. Next is payroll. Payroll refers to the remuneration paid to the employees for services they provide during a certain period. Next is salary. It is the fixed amount of the money which is given from employer to employee every month for the work rendered. Next is wages. It is the fixed amount of the money which is given from employer to employee on an hourly, daily or weekly basis for the work done. Next is earning for employees. It could be a fixed component that is paid regularly every month like basic pay, conveyance, house rent allowance, or it could be a variable component that is either paid on a quarterly or half-yearly basis like bonus or variable pay. Next is basic pay or basic salary. Basic pay or basic salary is defined as a standard or fixed rate of pay paid by an employer to the employee in return for work performed. It is the initial pay paid to the employees. Basic pay is the largest portion of the salary which is used for the basis of computing other components of salary like dearness allowance, house rent allowance. Next is allowances. The monetary benefit given to the employees over and above the basic salary to meet the other expenditures like house rent allowance, conveyance, reimbursement, food allowances is called allowances. All the allowances provided to the employees are earning for the employees. These allowances are further divided into three types. Taxable allowance. These are the allowances which are fully taxable as per income tax law. For example, dearness allowance and overtime allowance. Next is partly taxable allowances. These are the allowances which are partly taxable as per income tax law. For example, house rent allowance, conveyance allowance, medical bill reimbursement allowance. Next is fully exempted allowances. These are fully exempted allowances as per income tax law. That is, they are not going to be taxable. For example, allowances to judges of the Supreme Court or Higher Court are not taxable. Next is statutory contribution from employees, from employers. Statutory contributions are the contributions that are made by the employer towards employee provident fund and employee state insurance. These are the contributions that are mandated by law. Gross salary. Gross salary refers to the total earnings of the employees, such as fixed and variable components, without any statutory and non-statutory deductions. Net salary. It is the take-home salary of an employee after the deduction of statutory and non-statutory components. The equation to derive net salary is gross salary minus deductions, which includes statutory and non-statutory deductions. Next is cost to company. Cost to company is the cost incurred by the company on the annual salary package of an employee. It is the total amount of expenses an employer spends on the employee. Next is cost to company includes the following components: total earnings, employer statutory contribution, reimbursement, medical insurance and gratuity. Now they have given me one business scenario under which I am going to create a new company, Suhas Enterprises Private Limited. So I will create a new company over here. Suhas Enterprises Private Limited. Address is near Gobind I'll select the state as Haryana. Pin code is 144001. That's it. So my new company is going to be created in 2 minutes. See, my company is created successfully. Here I will enable the payroll option. Here I'll add these details. Company code is KNB NG 10054680026. Next is company account group code is 10019. Company security code is 21219. Company code is 1800079864251281. ESI branch office is Koramangala. Standard working days per month is 26. Next, corporate registration number is 2395643. Next, corporate branch office number is 8446784. Next, tax deduction collection account number is ASDF 71814D. Next is TAN registration number. I have to leave blank. Next, income tax circle or ward is ward 4 subsection 2 subsection 1. Next, deductor type will be others. Deductor branch and division is Koramangala, Bengaluru. Next, deductor branch and name of the person responsible is M.S. Suraj, son and daughter of Mr. Ayyappa. Designation as CFO and PAN is ASDF G81881Q. That's it. So this way I have enabled my payroll, and here I am going to shut down Devinda Private Limited. Okay, now my first entry is on 1st April 2023, Mr. Suhas, Managing Director of Suhas Enterprises Private Limited, introduced a capital of 20 lakh. State Bank of India check wide number 810502 was deposited into Kotak Bank current account. So for this, I'm going to open my vouchers. Here I'm going to enable F6 receipt voucher. I'll press Ctrl plus H, will open my double entry mode. Here what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I'll change the date 1st April. Here I need to create a ledger of capital account. Under capital account group, ₹20 lakh. Will debit. I'll create a ledger Kotak Bank current account. Under bank account group. Here I'll create a check number 810502. From 810502 to 810503. Total checkbook. Number 1. So here I'm going to debit 20 lakh. Instrument number will be 810502. Next is creation of payroll masters in Teleprime. Teleprime offers various features that allows you to implement and process payroll. From the masters option in Gateway of Tele, you can create different payroll masters such as employees, payroll units, attendance and production types and pay heads. Essentially, payroll involves the calculation of amounts due to an employee on the following basis. On hourly wages, pay on a fixed basis such as certain amount per week, per month and so on. Next is reimbursement of expenses such as travel or medical expenses. It is therefore essential to quantify the following payroll information for computation of payments to employees. Let us consider the following illustration to understand the process of payroll in Teleprime. The salary of the Suhas Enterprises Private Limited employees can be processed during the following steps as shown in chart 4.1. Number 1 is employee setup. Number 2 is creation of payroll units. Number 3 is creation of pay heads. Number 4 is defining salary. Number 5 is processing salary and making payments. And number 6 is generating payroll and statutory reports. Next is employee master. The employee master record employee information such as department, date of joining, date of leaving, ID number, designation, location, function, employee bank details, statutory details, passport and visa details. Employee masters are used in recording employee information. In Teleprime, the following employee masters can be created. Next is employee categories and employee group. Number 1 is employee category. Employee category provides an additional level to classify employees logically. This is in addition to the employee group available by default. An employee category is used to track the salaries paid to the employees working under specific employee category. For example, permanent staff and contract staff. Here, since Suhas Enterprises Private Limited has classified the employees into two categories such as permanent and on contract, let us create employee category as permanent and on contract. For this, I'll go back, go to create option. Here, I'll go to show more, and here I'll go to payroll masters. Under payroll master, I'll open employee category. Under employee category, I'm going to name as permanent and will allocate revenue items to yes and allocate non-revenue items to yes also. Next, on enabling this option, the non-revenue related transaction values will be allocated for the employees created under this category. For example, Provident Fund, Employee Pension Scheme, Loan to Employee Sector. Other employee category I will create on contract. Here I'll also allocate non-revenue items to yes. Okay, now comes out to be employee group. Businesses with multiple departments can create the required employee group and classify individual employees under a specified group. On creating the employee group, you can create a salary structure based on the department. Now, as Suhas Enterprises Private Limited has classified the employees into two categories such as permanent and on contract, let us create the departments under each category as per the organizational structure. So for this, I'll go back, we'll go to employee group and create HR department. Category, I will select the category as permanent, and under this I'll create HR department and define salary details. Next, I'll select the category as on contract and create sales department. Next is housekeeping department. Okay, so this way I have created employee group also. Next, employee master. The employee category and group have been created. Now you can create individual employee master by grouping them under respective employee category and group. In TelePrime, you can record all the necessary information of the employees in the employee master. TelePrime also allows you to enter the statutory, passport, visa and contract details of the employees. Let us create the following employees in TelePrime under the respective employee category and group. The list of the employees of Suhas Enterprises Private Limited who joined the company on 1st April 2023 are given in table. I'll go back. We'll open employee. Here I will select the category first of all. I'll select permanent. Name of the employee is beneath M. Here I'll select F12 and here the provide passport and visa details are already enabled. Provide contact details are already enabled. Employee number is 01. Designation as HR manager. Function is human resource. Location is Bengaluru. Gender is male. Date of birth is 10th May 1988. Blood group is A positive. Father and mother name is Mahesh K. Spouse name is nothing and address is /45 Vidya Eat Circle BSK First Stage Bengaluru. Phone number is 988861200012. Email ID is vineet.m@sepl.com. Provide bank details? No. Applicable tax regime is regular tax regime. Income tax number? Nothing. So the other details are not given to me. So this way I have created first employee. Next, other employees I will create over here is, first of all, I'll select the category. The category is permanent. Divya S. Under HR department. Employee number is 02. Designation as HR executive. Function is human resource. Location is Bengaluru. Gender is female. Date of birth, blood group A negative. Father and mother's name Vikas. Spouse name is nothing. Address is /8 17th B Cross Electronic City Bengaluru. Phone number is 9988453241. Email ID is divya.s@sepl.com. 650 2901002. Okay. So the next employee is on contract. Name of the employee is Deepak Sharma under sales department. Employee number is 03. Designation as sales executive. Function is sales department. Location Bengaluru. Gender is male. Blood group is B negative. Father and mother's name is Suresh Sharma. Spouse name is nothing. And address is /18th 2nd Cross HSR Layout Bengaluru. Phone number is 987-747-7612. Email ID is deepak.s@sepl.com. Next employee is on contract basis. Kaushik under sales department. Employee number 4. Designation as sales executive. Function is sales department. Location is Bengaluru. Gender is male. Blood group is O positive. Father and spouse name is Jeevan. Address is #1/9 6th Main Road, HBR Layout, Bengaluru. Phone number is 980-584667. Email is kaushik@sepl.com. Next is the last employees on the basis of on contract. Name is Vishwas Kumar under sales department, under housekeeping department. Employee number 5. Designation as executive housekeeper. Function is housekeeping department. Location is Bengaluru. Gender is male. Blood group is A1 positive. Vinay Kumar. Address is /12 7 Main Road, PTM Layout, Bengaluru. Phone number is 9905146672. Email ID is vishwas.k@sepl.com. Alright, so this way I have created the list of employees. Now I'll go back and we'll go to display more reports. I'll go to chart of accounts and here I'll go to payroll master. Under employees. So you can see that these are the employees have been created on the basis of category and on the basis of department. Okay, on the basis of employee group. So I hope you understood all this practical very carefully. So I'll get back to you in next video. Stay tuned with me. Thank you so much.